So next thing you can see, here, if 1, when I am taking 1 is always considered as a true. So you can see here 1 is considered as true. Now tell me, what is the answer in this case if we are taking -1? Can anyone tell me the answer?
Yes, sir, it will execute.
Vaishnavi? Am I pronouncing the name correctly?
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah, it will
name,
get printed.
why it is -1? So why it is executed?
Sir, only 0 is considered as false.
Okay. So listen, everyone. She is absolutely right. Only 0 is false. All the number except the 0 is true. All the number, even if they are negative or positive, that does not matter. Everything except 0 is true. So in that case, our statement is -1 is considered as true. Now you can see here, -1 is considered as true. The statement is executed. Fine. So that is for this one. Now I am printing not 0. I am taking not 0. That means anything except 0. Will it considered as a true or false?
True.
So it will be considered as true. That means all the number except 0 considered as true. Fine. That what I have written in that if. So that is totally correct. Now I have taken A. What is the value of A? In the next statement I am taking A. A is 5. Fine. So I am taking now A. Fine. So here value is checked, which is true, and it is non-zero. The value of A is checked. It does not matter A double equal to 5 or not. We are not checking that. We are just checking the value of A, which is 0 or non-zero. Fine. So means all the number except I didn't remove it. So here value of A is checked and which is true, and because it is non-zero and value is 5. Fine. Next I am doing what I am doing. See here, look at it. If A equal to 20, I am writing A equal to 20. So can anyone guess the answer? That is pretty easy. Still, I want you to tell me the answer.
True, sir. It will print it. It will print that because 20 is assigned to A. So it will be considered as a true.
It will print both statements, sir.
It will print both statements. Okay. Now see
So
what
what's
I
the
am
value
doing.
of A?
Value of A is 5.
So sir, 5 is not equal to 20. It means false. No?
It means
Yeah,
false. So it is
execute.
saying false. Okay, so your answer is not correct this time. Why so? I am not using double equal to. See, I am using using double equal to, I am using equal to. That means
Yes, sir.
first 20 will be assigned to A. That means now A की value 5 की जगह 20 हो गई. That means now value of A is 20 instead of 5. So now 20 again, 20 is non-zero. If we'll check,
yes,
that is non-zero number. So that is true for it. Now it will print both the statement. And here what I am printing, I am see I am printing. It is not checking here. We are assigning. It is not checking here. I am not checking because I am not using double equal to. Rather than we are assigning the value to A, and now the value of, I have written C on, sorry. Now the value of A is, I am printing the value of A. Now value you can see 20 instead of 5. So value is assigned to A now. Fine. Is it clear everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
सर एक डाउट है,
पूछो.
अगर अभी A20 हुआ तो वो सिर्फ इफ के लिए होगा या पूरे प्रोग्राम के लिए होगा?
बच्चे पूरे प्रोग्राम के लिए हो जाएगा.
ओके सर.
वैल्यू ओवरराइट हो जाती है हमारे उसमें मेमोरी में.
ओके, वो पता था पर इफ के लिए कंफ्यूज था.
ओके, सो वैल्यू ओवरराइट हो जाएगी. सो वो वैल्यू आपकी पूरे प्रोग्राम के लिए चेंज हो गई है. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर, आई कैन प्रिंट अगेन, प्रिंट एफ %d, a. See, this is 20. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Unless until it is within a function, then this memory would be within the function only. Now we are using only main function. So for whole main, value has been changed. Fine?
Okay. Okay, sir.